Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, November 26, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about an app that is helping me keep my entire life on track. All right, but before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. It'll be 20 years at the beginning of this coming year. And I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. So it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. Now, with that being said, if you're somebody like myself who has lots of things going on, working many different businesses, just a busy schedule overall, this app that I'm using is something that you're going to want to check out, okay? So a friend of mine shared this with me, and I checked it out, and I was like, oh yeah, I signed up right away. Because what the app does, it really allows you to keep your entire life on track. I mean, every single thing that you can possibly think of, this app has to help keep your life on track, all right? So I can, go through and set up my morning routine in the app, which involves praying. You can meditate, there's exercising, stretching, there's affirmations that you can put in there. What else do we have? Reading. It keeps track of everything, okay? Your nutrition. You can completely schedule your whole day. It connects to Google Calendar. Reminders. I'm trying to think of everything that I've looked at so far. There's a vision board. It's just a really awesome, well thought of app that you can use to help keep everything in one place and organized. All right, there's a journal in there. There's a note section. It'll definitely help you run your business and keep every other aspect of your life in order. And so for me, somebody like myself who's always on the go, it really works out. Okay, and then the really cool thing about this, on top of all that, is that there's an affiliate program attached to this where you can earn 80% commissions for everybody who joins you. Okay, so the app costs $10 a month, and in my opinion, it's worth far more than that. Okay, with all the things that you can do and set up and integrate with, like I said, Google Calendar and all the reminders and everything that you can do. Keep track of your reading, your nutrition, everything. All right, it's worth far more than the $10 a month. But with that being said, whenever somebody joins you with the in the affiliate side of this, the company's going to pay you $8 a month residual. All right, so I mean, most people need to have some kind of organization. Most people are not very well organized throughout their day, especially people who are trying to build a business. It's so easy to get sidetracked and thrown off course throughout the day because we're bombarded with so many different things, that this app will help you stay focused. And to me, that's worth $10 a month, right? And then if you go and share the opportunity or the app with other people, the company's going to pay you $8 a month residual for everybody who joins you, all right, and uses the app. And there's a community inside and everything. It's really, like I said, it's well thought of. It's worth every single penny. I'll leave a link down below this video so you can check this out and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll probably do a live about this app probably after the holidays, maybe tonight, I'm not sure. It depends what I got going on, but I'll definitely do a live and go over the app and show you everything that there is that you can do with it, because it's just, it's more than just a daily checklist, right? There's, you can put down, keep in there when you get leads, if you have to call them back. There's content planning, personal growth strategies. It covers everything, all right? And it's nice to have it all in one spot, in one area on your phone. So that's all for today. I just wanted to share that with you because it's a valuable tool that if you're serious about building a business, or improving your life, it's something that you definitely want to check out. So again, I'll leave a link down below. Reach out if you have any questions. And I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.